Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a Publix heist because they paid me. Yeah, this is $93.48 worth of goods. When it's all said and done, they paid me $6.08. And yes, that does include tax. So, this is the real price, and I have no coupon fairy. I'm gathering all my inserts myself, so this is the real price of $6.08. They paid me when I was all said and done. Some of it went on Publix gift cards, some of it was a bought on, some of it was a rebate. So this is for the week of January 21st, January 27th. We try doing this every week on the first day of the sale. Today's Thursday, so you guys can do the sale the rest of the week. So please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off. So I used manufacturer coupons, manufacturer printable coupons. I used store coupons, Publix digital coupons. I used Ibotta. I used a gift card rebate as well as a competitor coupon. So here's what we got so far. So we got this was a Publix digital coupon on that, Publix digital coupon on this. This was a manufacturer printable as well as a Ibotta. This was a manufacturer printable as well as a store coupon as well as a Ibotta. This was from the Smart Source 12/6. Actually expired, but I got lucky. They took it in. Look at the date. There's also one from January 17th. This was a store coupon. Two store coupons, obviously. This is for the 30 count pad. I did this one in the last video. There's a Publix digital coupon for this. Let's see what we got down here. We got this manufacturer printable. Got this. This was on Ibotta. And let's get to this. So here's the kicker. This one was a good one. This old El Paso taco sauce, $2.99. Buy one get one free. As the ad says, as you can see, taco sauce, 9-ounce bottle. Of course, it didn't ring up BOGO. Publix promise was granted. I used manufacturer coupons, so this was totally free as well as a $2 money maker on that. This here was a store coupon. There's also a printable coupon, but a $3 off of 2 is on the January 3rd Smart Source. If you don't have that, you can use this one as well as a store coupon from the extra savings. Also, get to this here. Actually got 10 of these. There's only 5 here, but there is a store coupon. You can try to use 2. They might not let you. This is limit of 1, and also there's a $5 gift card rebate. This is also on Ibotta as well, and you can get like energy drink and a sparkling drink rebate on that. And then for the kicker, I used a $10 off of 60, or some might have a $10 off of 90. Winn-Dixie competitor coupon is accepted, which made me get paid to shop again and again. So once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right here. Here's some more times I got paid to shop, some other cool info. As I said, I'll be doing this every week, so subscribe to my channel. Once again, paid to shop.